everyone, in today's video we learn about how to input text to your drawings. As you can see on the screen, there is text option. If you click it, there are two options, that is multi-line text and single text. So we'll start up the first, that is text, normal text. So for that, just write text command. It says that specify first point. Click anywhere on the screen and it will ask you for a height. So let's say I need it 3 inches. Rotation angle 0. And now I have space to write on the screen. So this is how this command works. Now I'll be using another option, that is multi-line text. For the same, I'll enter empty enter. Specify first point and just specify the area where you want to type the text. Now as you can clearly see on the screen, the first one option is single text and the down one is multi-line text. Multi-line, it will automatically give you multiple lines, but in order to shift it to 1 or 2 line, simply just press this note appearing on my right side. So it will adjust the text. This multi-line text command is basically used in floor plans where you don't have much of space to adjust the text in one line. So we used to work with this command, which can shift it to multiple lines. So this is how the text command in AutoCAD works. Thank you.